Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own emojis. So we're going to use this site here, phlntn.com/emoji builder. I'll link this up in the video description. Now, we're going to pick our base face, if you will, or face base, and you can select a different one, and you'll see over here now it's face man or face woman if you switch it out. And now you can choose the eyes that you want to use. So there's one eye, and let's pick a different eye that we want to have in the face here. So we can mix and match. And now we'll go to our mouth and use that one. And see if there's any accessories we want to add in, like perhaps some glasses. And maybe we want to do a little hat on top of it as well. So now with that hat, okay, over on the right hand side, you can see I can switch that over. You can also change the scale. And now my hat is a little bigger or smaller. And if I want to remove the hat altogether, just click the X and now it's gone. Now when I'm happy with my emoji, just click Save. And now it's saved on my desktop. And I can use it wherever I want. So there's my little emoji. So that's how you can make your own emoji. For ideas on how to include emojis in a writing lesson plan, I have a link in the video description, as well as in the blog post in which this video will appear. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.